The annual NAB show, the world's largest media and entertainment technology convention, recently concluded with a myriad of groundbreaking camera and video gear unveilings from industry heavyweights. Global leaders from over 155 countries gathered to witness the latest innovations that will shape the future of content creation. In this video, we'll dive into the most exciting releases from Sony, Panasonic, Blackmagic, and more, giving you an insider's look at the cutting-edge cameras that are redefining the filmmaking landscape. Let's start with the highly anticipated Sony Alpha 9 Mark III. This is the first full-frame camera in the world to feature a global shutter, which means goodbye to the dreaded rolling shutter effect. With 24 megapixels of resolution and the ability to shoot up to 120 frames per second in video mode, this camera is a game-changer. And the best part? It packs all of Sony's renowned video features, including XAVCS, XAVCS2, and XAVCS2 Intra, giving you the flexibility to shoot in the format that suits your project best. If you're already a fan of Sony's Alpha lineup, you'll be excited to hear about the updates to the Alpha 7S III and the flagship Alpha 1. The Alpha 7S III now supports 4K DCI 24p, a much-requested feature from videographers, and the Alpha 1 continues to impress with its 8K capabilities and robust 4K options. Sony's NAB lineup dazzled with innovations like the ZV-1, tailored for vloggers with AI auto-framing, and the Burano 8K Cinealta, ideal for cinematic prowess. For live events, the HDC 5500V and HDC 3500V offer 4K HDR excellence. But the real showstopper might just be the BRC AM7 PTZ 4K 60p AI auto-tracking remote camera. This camera takes remote production to the next level, using advanced AI technology to automatically track and follow your subjects. Blackmagic Design has long been a trailblazer in the video production industry, and the NAB Show 2024 was no exception. The standout of their lineup was the Pixis 6K Cinema camera, a true cinematic marvel. This camera boasts a 36 by 24mm sensor, delivering a stunning 6K resolution that's perfect for capturing those cinematic, shallow depth-of-field shots. But the best part? The Pixis 6K is compatible with a range of lens mounts, including EF, PL, and L mount. This means you can get the exact look you're going for by pairing it with your favorite glass. They also wowed the crowd in the NAB show with the URSA Scene 12K, a camera that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of high-resolution video. With a massive full-frame sensor and a mind-boggling 12K resolution, this camera is a true powerhouse, and with the ability to capture up to 16 stops of dynamic range, you can rest assured that your footage will be rich in detail, from the brightest highlights to the deepest shadows. At the NAB Show 2024, Panasonic made a bold statement with its latest advancements in camera technology. The spotlight was on the Lumix S5 II and S5 IIX, two cameras that are poised to redefine the way you capture your world. The Lumix S5 II and S5 IIX are more than just your average cameras. They're packed with features that will leave you in awe. First and foremost, they boast a seamless integration with Frame.io, the industry-leading cloud-based collaboration platform. This means you can now send your footage straight to the cloud, allowing your team to review and collaborate in real time, no matter where they are. Panasonic's innovations at the NAB Show 2024 weren't limited to just their cameras. They also showcased the AWUE30, a powerful pan-tilt zoom camera that's perfect for live events, broadcast studios, and more. With its high-quality 4K video and advanced remote control capabilities, the AWUE30 is a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their production workflows. Now, take a look at what Ikegami showed in the NAB. From their compact and versatile cameras to their cutting-edge video monitors, the Ikegami team proved that they're at the forefront of the industry. The standout was the UHL-43, a compact 4K UHD box-style camera with three 2 to 3-inch CMOS sensors delivering an impressive 2000 TVL resolution. Versatile enough for robotic studios, live events, and unique perspectives, the UHL-43 is a true powerhouse. Ikegami also unveiled the UHL-F4000, a lightweight and compact UHD HDR camera designed for aerial video capture. Easily integrated into various platforms, the UHL F4000 enables videographers to capture breathtaking footage from the skies. In the studio or portable category, the UHK-X600 impressed with its 1000 TVL resolution, HDR capabilities, and optional high frame rate and 4K processing features, making it a favorite among video professionals. And the Grass Valley also was in the NAB show with its innovative cameras. The spotlight was firmly on their latest additions to the LDX camera lineup, the LDX135 RF and the LDX150 RF. These cameras are true marvels of engineering, designed to redefine the future of live production. The LDX135 RF boasts a robust wireless design that's perfect for capturing dynamic events and fast-paced action. With its seamless integration of RF technology, you can bid farewell to the hassle of cumbersome cables and focus on capturing the moment with unparalleled freedom. They also showcased the LDX150 RF, a camera that takes wireless production to the next level. With its advanced 4K capabilities and support for a wide range of video formats, the LDX150 RF is the perfect choice for anyone looking to future-proof their live production workflows. So that's all about a recap of NAB Show 2024. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.